Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and I'm going to start this project off with these two bamboo skewers I got in a package at Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to use my antique wax and stain them. So I did both of them. I'm just using my little applicator to put the antique wax on. And then I'm going to let those dry. Next, I'm going to take some feathers that I got at Dollar Tree also, and I'm going to add some glue to the non-pointy end of the bamboo skewer. And I'm just going to kind of glue the feathers all around at the top. Just add a little strip of glue and then put a feather on. And I don't mind if they kind of go all wonky. Once I get them all on, I'm going to kind of straighten them all out. And push them all together. And then just keep adding feathers until you get as many as you want on there. And then I'm going to kind of trim off some of the excess fluff at the bottom of the feathers. And then I'm going to take some twine and I'm just going to wrap that around. So the first thing I'm going to do is tie it off in a knot. And I double knotted this. And then I'm just going to trim off that little excess piece and then just kind of spin the twine around until I cover up where you can't see any more of the feathers popping through the twine, sorry. And then I'm going to cut off and then put a little piece of hot glue and then push that right onto the other pieces of twine. Then I am going to take these stickers from Dollar Tree. They're felt stickers. And I'm just going to use these at the pointy end. And I'm going to put them on upside down so that they resemble an arrow. So I just kind of set it on the center. And then I'm going to put this other sticker right over the top of that. And I'm going to repeat this same process with these pink ones. So I'm just going to, again, add some glue, put my feather on, and then just go around and do the same process. And I got these feathers in a package that were like a multicolored package, and it had just enough to do the pink and the red. It comes with like yellow and green and other colors, but those weren't what I was looking for. So again, just adding the glue, adding as many feathers as you want. You can put as many as you want on here. You can make this as big or as thin as you want. I just did it till it was fluffy and it covered the skewer. And again, just pushing up all those excess, repeating the same thing with the twine, just tying it off in a knot, clipping, and then just taking that twine and kind of wrapping it around. I just spun the skewer and wrapped at the same time, just kind of make the process go faster. And you could use different colors. You don't have to use twine. You could use like the baker's twine. That would be really pretty. And again, just gluing off that end. And then the same process with the stickers. And I had pink ones. The heart packs come with the pink, white, and red stickers, I believe. Again, just setting that right in the center. And then doing the same thing right on top, and then sticking them together. And if you have to, you can trim off any excess if you didn't get the stickers quite where they needed to be. And that is it. This project is so simple, so cute, and I absolutely love it. I think I'm going to do a white one, and so I have 3. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.